Definitely do not need a lot of that. Wow, that shade is gorgeous. Oh my god.
Focus on your goals, we out here doing it, out here doing spend it. Yeah. Get yourself together.
Hi guys, long time no speak. I'm so sorry for literally just dipping on you guys. I'm back on YouTube, so that's the fun part. But today I am going to be testing a bunch of E.L.F products. E.L.F kindly sent me over some goodies, so I'm going to go ahead and try them with you guys because there's not any products in here that I've actually tried. I've tried some blushes and things, but they're not in this box, so let's go ahead and try some E.L.F goodies. So they kindly sent over a brush set which looks like this. So it has a few foundation brushes, a beauty sponge and things like that, so I'm going to be using these while I do my makeup as well. I'm going to go in with the Halo Glow. This is in the shade 3 Light Medium. I absolutely love a glowy base. If you know me from years ago, I used to love doing a matte look, but I'm all about the glow lately. So I'm going to go in with this. The sponge looks like, it actually has like a weird kind of bit on the bottom. I don't even know how to explain that. It's like, I don't know, it feels weird. But it's like a flat kind of sponge. So we're going to go ahead and use this. It's going to take this on the wand. And I don't know how much to apply of this, so I'm just going to put a little bit to start with. But I absolutely love a glowy product. Going ahead and blending this out. I absolutely love a glowy complexion product. So I actually love how this looks on the skin already. Applied, as you can see, I love that. Wow. So we have two of the Hydrating Camo Concealers. I remember a while back trying the matte Camo Concealer and I was not a fan. It was too drying on the under eye. But this is the Hydrating one. So I'm just going to go in with the E.L.F Camo Concealer and just put it under the eyes and then a little bit where I feel like I need coverage. I'm just going for something quite light today because I just want something light. I'm taking their sponge again. I'm just putting a little bit of coverage on because the, what do you call it? The Camo Concealer, what the frick is it called? The Halo Glow actually gives you such a nice dewy glow. So I don't feel like I need that much coverage. Pull it out. Just like so. And wow, I love that. I actually let this side sit for a little minute and it's definitely built up the coverage a little bit more. If you guys see me looking off, I've actually got a mirror at the side of me here. I really like how that looks on the skin. I'm obsessed with that. Now I'm just going to go in with some bronzer. And with their Camo bronzer contour thingy. It comes on a little wand. I've already done this side, but I'll just show you on this side. I'm just going to put a little bit. Take their putty primer brush, which looks like this. It's like the perfect contour buffing brush. It just blends out like an absolute dream, honestly. It just blends out so easy. And it's one of those bronzers you can actually buff into the skin, which I love. Wow. I just look so bronze and glowy. I'm obsessed. Now going in to blush, and I'm using the Camo liquid blush. It's in the shade Coral Crush. This is like a super coral colour and I love my coral. I'm either a baby pink or a coral. So I'm just going to apply some of this just to buff it out. Well, you definitely do not need a lot of that. I'm going to bring it over on this cheek as well. Because wow, that shade is gorgeous. Oh my god. I love that shade. I'm just going to buff this out. Wow guys, I am obsessed with that shade. E.L.F, you know what you're doing with that shade because I'm obsessed with that. Oh my god, so good. If you guys have not tried these E.L.F blushes yet, you need to because they're literally so inexpensive and yeah. The pigment on them is crazy. You actually see me use 2 dots and it basically covered my whole face. I'm obsessed with that. I'm just going to take the E.L.F Halo Glow Beauty Wand. It's in the shade Champagne. So I'm going to use this. It kind of looks a little bit like the Charlotte Tilbury glow ones, if I'm being honest. Looks like. I'm just going to apply some of this on the cheeks. I don't know how much to put, so I'm just putting a little bit. She says as she applies loads. And I'm just going to buff this out with the sponge. And wow, look at the glow. I'm such a glowy girl. And wow, look at the skin. She's glowing. I really like this. This is in the shade Champagne from E.L.F. And I'll put the prices on the screen as I'm using the products, just so you guys can see if you want to try them. But E.L.F. is really inexpensive, so yeah, this gets a yes from me. So I'm now just going in with the Halo Glow Powder Filter Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Light Neutral. I think I'm going to have to apply this just on the face. I don't think it'll work on the under eyes, but we'll try. But wow, that coverage. And just go on the under eyes. This is definitely, wow. That is so blurring on the skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. But wow, I'm obsessed with that. It just matches my skin tone rather than highlighting or brightening. But wow, I really like that. So that is the skin. I just realised I also had the E.L.F. Powergrip primer. Why did I not use this? I'm so dumb. I'll definitely need to try that in the next video. I have used ones like dupes of it, so I know what it's like, but I'm so dumb. I can't believe I didn't use that in the video. Anyway, I'm going to go in with the Powergrip Dewy Setting Spray. I've actually not tried the setting spray. So this is what she looks like. And I'm excited to try this. Shockingly Fine Mist Major Makeup Grip. Okay, E.L.F., let's see what you've got. Oh, I quite like the mist on that. It literally feels like you're spraying nothing on your face. Doesn't taste great though. So maybe try not to eat it. But it's like MAC Fix Plus, but even finer, like the mist on it. Which, if you love MAC Fix Plus, you will love this. I must say the new Halo Glow powder is divine on the skin. Like, it set my face so well, but it's not like super drying either, which I love. I hate when your face feels super dry with powders, so I really like that. Definitely going to pick up a lighter shade as well. Next, I'm going to go in with their Holy Strokes Micro Fine Brow Pen. That was a mouthful. But basically a brow pen. I only have some brow gel and some powder in my eyebrows right now, so I'm going to use this. This is in the shade Espresso, so it says you shake it up beforehand, and it is a very fine tip pen. So I'm going to do this and just see. Wow. That is like really easy to work with. Okay, wow, that literally took me seconds. And I'm done my brows. Wow. If you guys have ever used a brow pen before, you know, some of them are like kind of expensive. So I would definitely check out the E.L.F. one, the Holy Strokes one, because I love that. Wow. Obsessed. I'll probably say obsessed so many times throughout the video, but that's when you know I love a makeup product, because that's the only word I say when I love something. But yeah, it gave me a lip liner in here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly apply this. This is in the shade Dark Cocoa, which is like a really deep brown. I genuinely love a deep brown shade. So I'm going to go ahead. I will say on first application it is a little bit dry. But if you're a girl that loves a super defined lip liner, this will be great for that. Because sometimes too creamy of a lip liner, it's hard to make such a defined shape, so that is why probably it's a little bit drier. But like, it's not dry in like a bad way, it's just drier. So that is the lip liner applied. As you can see, it's a super nice brown shade. I'm just going to use my finger just to buff that out a little bit. This is the Perfect 10 Nude Mood eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take the shade, the 5th shade in the palette, which is this one. And I'm just going to buff this on. Just to add a little bit of colour. You do not need to be precise with this. Literally just whack it on. Whack it on. So just like that, literally the tiniest difference, but makes a difference, trust me. And this blends really easy as well. I'm also just going to keep putting the prices of these palettes and things on the screen as I use them. I'm just going to now go in with the darkest shade, which is this one in the palette. So I'm actually going to take this E.L.F brush like this, but it says it's a wing it liner brush, so that's what it looks like. So I'm going to give it a try and use that dark shade. It literally makes the perfect wing for you. Wow. You guys, you saw that in real time. Oh my god. Look at that, how cool is that brush? Oh my god. So I'm just going to repeat this on the other eye and come back. Okay, I absolutely loved using that Wing It liner brush from E.L.F. If you guys can pick this up and you struggle with doing like a kind of smoky eyeliner, definitely give this a try. It'll probably only be a couple of pounds as well. I'll put the prices here obviously. But yeah, I loved using this because it was literally so easy. You guys saw how fast and easy it was. The eyeshadow, as you can see, blends like a dream. So I'm now just going to go in with their Glow Reviver lip oil, which looks like this. It is infused with apricot oil. This is how she looks. And let's see the applicator. Oh, look at it on the lips. Wow. It smells unreal. I don't even know. Kind of smells minty almost. But wow, that looks so good on the lips. It feels super hydrating on the lips as well, which I love. And then I'm just going to finally set with the setting spray once again, just to make sure we last all day. And lastly, I'm going to try the Lash Extender mascara. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really too picky with mascaras, to be honest with you. Like, mascara's mascara. I like the wand on it. Yeah, mascara is just mascara to me, to be honest with you. But I do like a kind of brush that separates the lashes well. And this so far looks like it's separating the lashes pretty well. I'm also just going to put some on the bottom. Oh, this is a great bottom mascara. But look at the difference. Wow, I'm obsessed with that. Like, I'm not even joking, that looks so good. So good. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my curler out and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so that is the finished makeup. As you can see, I absolutely love how this looks. I'm glowing and I'm bronzy and I'm blushed and genuinely just obsessed. Like, E.L.F is so affordable, and if my face can look like this, it just shows you that the drugstore literally is killing it right now, because I loved every single one of these products and my skin has never looked better. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.